YouTube. Yesterday, for the first time ever, I posted a survey on my channel, and you guys said that I was a loser for staying home and working on my jet ski instead of going out. So today I posted my second survey, and we're going to see if I'm going to go to Pine Coulee Reservoir as usual, go check out Twin Valley Reservoir, or sit in my yard in my wetsuit and rev the engine on my X2. Hopefully it's not that last one. Alright YouTube, the results of the poll are in, and both of you who voted want me to go to Twin Valley Reservoir, so thank you to whoever that was. And yeah, I'm on my way. I'm going to stop and pick up some mixing oil because I ran out. Yes. I just purchased this gallon of oil, which is good for 200 liters at 50 to 1. And it cost me $99.93, and that is a good price because I get a deal through my business account. This is what I've been running in it. So far I've put 200 liters through the engine, and I've had it apart twice now, and I'm quite pleased with the oil content, the lubricity in the engine. Based on how much oil is in the engine, I think I can probably go down to 60 to 1, but for now I'm gonna kind of leave it as is, because yeah, better to have a little bit too much than not enough, that's for sure. As a lot of you guys know, I do live in Canada, Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and in the winters our water isn't liquid anymore, it's solid form, so it's really hard to ride jet skis in it. Over this winter, I plan on doing a bunch more work to this jet ski. I would like to do more to it between now and then, but in all honesty, this hasn't been exactly a great year with the whole pandemic, so funds are pretty short. I've got some household responsibilities, like a bathroom renovation that we're doing upstairs, and some other stuff. YouTube doesn't make me a whole lot of money. It doesn't make me enough to basically make one trip back and forth to the lake a month. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. I'm hoping to get a bunch of stuff done. I am pretty frugal, but yeah, it does take money to make these videos, so I am considering starting a Patreon account. Whether or not that happens, we'll see, but I'm on my way to the lake now, and I will see you guys when I get there. Not a single person here. Wow, not much water here either, holy shit. So I'm at Twin Valley Reservoir at the boat slip, and the water level is, I think, probably about 4 feet lower than we were when we were here in the spring. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to ride here. Pine Coulee isn't that far away, so if I have troubles here, then I can head over to Pine Coulee pretty easily. But yeah, the X2 only needs a tiny little bit of water to ride around, so I'm gonna check out this and see what it's like. I don't know if the camera can see him, but there's a crane over there. I don't know if it's maybe it's a heron. I say heron and it reminds me of how ridiculous. Alright, I'm not using this today because it broke off and I haven't put it back on yet. I've got Rain-X on the camera lens. I've got Rain-X on my sunglasses. Oh, I can't choke it because I put the filter on. foot. There's a lot of seaweed around the bottom of that thing. Oh boy. I think I can come in from this side. Oh, oh no. I got some shit in my pump. I'm gonna have to pull over whether I like it or not. It's the first time ever getting something stuck in my pump. I didn't know what it felt like. Okay, see if I can get in here. Oh boy, I have no idea. Oh, am I touching? Oh yeah. So that's my first experience getting something stuck in my pump. I've been pretty fortunate not to get any weeds trapped, but I was trying to get in close and give you guys a good shot of this. That's pretty cool. So tip it towards the exhaust, which tip it this way to stop water from getting in is what they say in the manual. I got bored on our camping trip and actually read the manual for this, so yeah. They say to put a cloth underneath it so you don't scratch it, but yeah, that's not going to happen here, is it? Well, there's your problem. That, yeah, that'll do it. Well, it's good to know that I could still keep going with that stuff in there anyway. It's bound to happen out here. Okay, let's get this back on our feet. Take a walk out here and show you guys this crazy thing. I'll try to insert a clip from the last time we were here, but I was actually riding over here with the RXT right over the top of this stuff. And now it looks like a nesting ground for birds or something. There's a lot of feathers and poop here. As much as I want to climb up on top of there, I don't think I'm going to do it because it's quite obviously habitat for some birds. And if I try climbing on it, I'm probably going to break pieces of it off. It's already deteriorating pretty quickly just from the erosion of the water. So I think I'll leave well enough alone. I could climb up probably here. I'm sure people do it all the time, but I don't want to add to the problem. You can see all the bird nests along here. They would be empty at this point, I'm sure, but this is going to turn out to be more of a adventure ride than an exciting learning tricks or thrashing on the X2 ride. But yeah, now that I got the pump cleared out, let's see if I can get out of here without getting it clogged back up again. I didn't get much of a push, and now there's weeds right beside me. Lots of them. All right, let's try to start this bad boy, see what happens. Success! This is an adventure channel. I was gonna run all the way up there, but it's a long walk in my wetsuit. I'll just check the map and see what this location is. I'm gonna get on my phone and send Megan a text and let her know that I'm okay. I told her I'd check in periodically, but yeah, it's pretty shallow here. This is actually a nice sandy beach, not a whole lot of stuff growing, but you can definitely see the green stuff in the water. A lot of algae.